Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I'm here on the Scoop studio at SMT in Nuremberg, and I'm joined by Erhard from AdoptSMT. Erhard, thanks for stopping by to chat. Always a pleasure to talk to you. Tell me a little bit about what's been going on in the last 12 months and where the industry is moving at the moment.
Okay, from our point of view, last year was our record year. It was a very good year for us. On the spare parts and consumable side, it was a small increase compared to the year before, but especially on the equipment side, we had a very good year. We were able to buy in a large package of C-Place, ACES, ROEM equipment, where a lot of these machines weren't available on the market other than what we were able to buy, and so that helped a lot to make last year a great year. And this year, we don't have the big equipment sales just because of availability. If we stepped across another package like this, we would do it, but right now it's a bit dry on the market. But on the spare side and consumable side, we started off very well with a much higher increase than last year. And so we see that our customers in Germany, Austria, and the rest of Europe are doing well, and that's good for us as well.
Yeah. So there's demand there, but there's a lack of supply of used equipment for you. That's a bit of a challenge. I guess that's why the other parts of your business, like the spare parts, like the labeling, for example, are so important.
Yes, exactly. The pre-owned equipment business is just hard to predict. There's always something going on. If you magazine loaders, unloaders, if you board conveyors, things like this, we always get in and we always refurbish and sell again. But to get in C-Place X, C-Place SX, Fuji NXT2, NXT3 machines, this is a challenge right now, and in the pre-owned equipment business, that's the difficulty. You need both. You need supply and demand, so you either need it like it was back in 2000, 2001. We did business back then. In one industry they have a problem, like mobile phones back then, and other industries were still doing well, so then you could shift the equipment over, or sometimes there's regional differences, or just also single problems that one company has a problem, that a product is breaking away and we can buy a line there. So that's for this it's just important to have a good coverage of the market and to hear well, there's a line idle. Maybe there'll be the decision to sell it.
Yeah. And you mentioned consumables. The label manufacturer that you work with has been acquired, I believe. Tell me a bit about how that impacts on you and your customers.
Yes, this is very fresh news. So the closing was only end of May, a few days ago. Our label supplier since 2012, Nordtech, was just taken over by CCL Design. CCL is a large corporation listed in Canada. They also have as another division Avery, and in Germany Zweckform is well known as part of Avery. But this is not our business. Our business is, of course, still in our industry and not out there in the department stores. But here we do see that we can offer our customers more safety with manufacturing plants in different countries, not only at the one side. They will continue to run at the Nordtech factory. They will invest in newer machines, so we will also be able to get out more capacity of the existing factory, and also with the newer equipment, with additional possibilities.
Yeah, absolutely. And I guess when you're at a show like this week, you've got your ear to the ground trying to find where equipment's available, but also meeting customers and finding out what their demands are. Are they looking for anything in particular at the moment?
Well, we we still do see the trend of identification. That means traceability that has gone beyond just automotive and medical companies. A lot of companies want to do traceability or have to do traceability. It's different, the motivation, but they, of course, with the high temp labels, especially where we are able to supply very small labels also pre-printed, and especially in combination with the label feeders from Howard Davis. There we are very well positioned to help customers get into the identification, and of course the other trend we see is still in LED applications, where we can also help our customers on the pick and place side with special nozzles so that these LEDs can be picked without problems, and also with pickup aids, that means with cover labels that get put on top of open LEDs so that they can also get picked with a standard vacuum nozzle.
Okay, well, Erhard, thanks for stopping by. Good luck, and I hope it's a good show. Thank you.
Thank you.